This is incredible!
Ah!
Wow, it's really cool seeing this stuff up close. So these must be all of Batman's suits. Hey, Snoozer, look at this! Snoozer?
Whoa, look at that! The Batmobile! The Batboat! The Batwing! The Batcopter! Batcycle! And what's that?
Where did he go?
Whoa! Hup! Wowie! Cool holding cell! It's enormous!
Hey there, little vacuum.
Hey! I'm not just a vacuum! I'm Snoozer!
Whatever your name is, be a good boy and open up this door for me.
No way! I know who you are! You're the Joker! I'm not letting you out! No way, Jose!
Aw, come on. I just want to cause a little havoc, that's all.
Nope!
Grr.
Nice work, bozo.
Oh, mind your own cell, you big block of ice.
Will you two quiet down? I'm trying to plan my perfect escape.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
And there it is! The giant computer!
Oh, there you are. What do you say, Snoozer? Want to sit in the bat chair?
Oh, this is gonna be great! I'm gonna push some buttons!
The Riddler is
Checkers! The computer is talking to me!
with riddles and games.
Wow! I wonder what this button does. And this one! And that one, and that one!
Hey, be careful. I don't know what all the buttons do.
And this, and this, and this, and that, and that, and that!
Starting power reset sequence.
Snoozer, what did you do?
Power restored. Alert! Alert! Intruder detected.
Snoozer, what did you do?
Oopsie!
Do you know if anyone was in the jail?
Oh dear, Checkers! I opened the jail! The Joker was in there! And more bad guys! Ah! Batman?
Who are you?
I am Snoozer!
We may have just
Accidentally.
freed all the villains.
I'll handle you later.
What happened? They're gone!
No time to explain, Robin. Seal off the exits.
Commencing lockdown!
Checkers, what do we do?
Well, they are just toys. I say we let it play out.
Oh, I blew it.
Yeah, this is going to be fun.
Hey, Checkers!
Not now, Snoozer. We've already caused enough trouble. Let's just stay here.
No, look! I see the bad guys!
Where?
Over there!
I just broke our stuff out of storage. Let's go. Snoozer, you stay here. I'm gonna go tell Robin. Going somewhere. Uh-oh. Prepare to be frozen. Hey, two can play at that game. Mine's bigger. Whoa!
Oh no!
Where do you think you're going?
Out of my way, Robin!
Game over.
Direct!
You can't win, Joker.
Oh, this is so exciting! It's just like I'm watching a Batman movie!
I completely agree.
Aren't you forgetting something, Batsy?
What? What is he forgetting?
Shh! Me!
That's not how it's supposed to go.
Snoozer, I have an idea.
And now, before I take over your bat cave, let's see who's really behind that bat mask. Vacuum cleaner.
I am Bat Snoozer, the greatest superhero of all time. Full power.
What is happening? Oh. That tickles. Stop it.
Yes!
Allow me to break the ice.
Well, Snoozer, thanks for capturing the Joker.
Even though you were the one to let them out to begin with.
Sorry I played with your computer. It was just so cool.
Well, looks like playtime's over, Snoozer. We better be getting back.
Very nice to meet you both. You guys are some cool toys.
Cool what?
Oh, never mind.
Let's go!
Wow, that was really fun. Snoozer, what'd you think?
Wowee! That was cool!
I know, that was really cool. We love checking out the Super Surround Batcave from Imaginext and Fisher-Price, and we can't wait to go on more adventures, checking out more toys on Toys in Time.